Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers on your Toyota RAV4. This is a simple maintenance task you can do yourself in about 10 minutes. First, gather your supplies. You will need 2 new wiper blades, a soft cloth or towel, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure your new blades are the correct sizes, 26 inches for the driver's side and 16 inches for the passenger's side. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. To prevent accidental damage, place a soft towel or cloth on your windshield beneath the arm. Next, find the small tab or clip where the wiper blade connects to the arm. Press this tab, then slide the old blade down and off the J-hook attachment. Repeat this process for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install your new ones. Take a new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade firmly upwards into the J-hook until you hear a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Remember to remove any plastic protective covers from the rubber wiping element before lowering the arm. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto your windshield. Never let the arm snap down, as this could crack the glass. Turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your washer fluid to ensure they clean effectively without streaking. For best visibility and safety, it is recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months or at the first sign of wear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.